Shabbat Shalom, Chag Sameach, wishing you and yours a uplifting and joyous Shabbat and a meaningful Pesach experience. This Friday, women and young girls, please light your Shabbat candles. And men and young men, please don your tefillin before sunset. Saturday night, we begin Pesach. Please have some of matzah and get together with the family for the Seder after 7:48 p.m. This Shabbat Parshat Tzav is a continuation in our spiritual work and direction of how to connect. The word Tzav means to command, but also to connect. Everything that the Torah instructs us to do is an opportunity to connect with the infinite. It's an opportunity to tie into our soul that is infinite and part of God. And especially now as we approach Pesach, this is a time for us to gather ourselves and our children and our families and remind ourselves how we are viscerally connected with this incredible, beautiful heritage and faith. And the story that the matzah tells us is so incredibly important, and it gives us the strength and the power to overcome not only the Egypt of the past, but the Egypt of the present, which represents our narrow-mindedness, the darker side, the struggles, the habits, the challenges, and the trauma. That each of us has something so light and possible that cannot be destructed or disturbed. All we have to do is to reveal it through reminding ourselves and telling the story. L'chaim, Shabbat Shalom, and Chag Sameach.